Task Force Lastal and Chief Speaking Task. My name is Marley Catalina Tovar Campo, Group 99. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas I enjoyed with my family. We went and enjoyed to Nueva Huila. We enjoyed every moment and we prepared for the night of December 24, tamales, calcer, fritters. The day came, we met with lovers that we had not seen for a long time. We laughed and enjoyed the beautiful decoration of the city. Days before the end of the year, we went to my previous farm. There I received the new year with exquisite food with my loved ones. Typical dish of Huila. The asado huilense is traditional from the department of Huila, which is located in the southwest of Colombia. The dish is very popular during the festivities of San Pedro, a celebration that takes place in Neiva, the capital of Huila. Bien a unity with traditional Colombian music, parties, and delicious traditional food. Ingredients: 4 pounds of pork loin or pork shoulder cut into pieces, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 white onion cut contiguous, 4 long chopped onions, 2 cans of beer, a cup of bitter orange juice, a curd cup of white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of dry basil, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons of dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of first thyme. Preparation: 1. Blend the onion, garlic, spring, onion peel, vinegar, and orange juice to obtain a puree. 2. Mix the puree with the cumin, dry basil, coriander, oregano, thyme, salt, and pepper. 3. Make incisions, pour liner in dressing, wrap the pork loiner with dressing, trying to heat it into the incisions. 4. Marinate the pork for at least 24 hours when in rubbing it with the dressing every hours. 5. Preheat the oven to 300 Fahrenheit. Then cook the pork covers with banana leaves for about 3 hours, turning it every hours. 6. Traditional, the asado huilense is served with arepa, with yuca, bland and what in sweet, plantain and accompanied with mush masato. Invitation to try a typical dish from Huila. Come and visit Huila, enjoy an exclusive and delicious play of every traditional Huilense barbecue at the Port Festival San Pedro, accompanied by lots of fun with the different artists in cultural expression, through dance, craft, gastronomy, everything that characterizes to the Huilense people. We will for you. Thanks.